Hello, all of you good evening students. Today we are discussing about the second semester, fourth lesson, the proposal. The proposal is written by Anton Chico. Anton Chico. This is the last lesson. I will show you the pictures. The proposal is a one act play. The proposal is a one act play, a farce by the Russian dramatist and a short story writer Anton Chekhov. It was written in 1888 to 1889. His plays and stories how not only show not only a concern with the social issues but also a deep understanding of a human nature. The play satirizes the tendency of wealthy Russian families to seek marriage ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates. The proposal is a one act play, a farce by the Russian dramatist and a short story writer and Anton Chekhov. It was written in 1888 and 1890. His plays and stories show not only a concern with the social issues but also a deep understanding of a human nature. The play satirizes the tendency of a wealthy Russian families to seek marriage ties with the other wealthy families to increase their estates. Anton Chekhov has written this story in 1888 to 1889. But every writer has explains the issues. What are the surrounding issues of the events they have to explain? They are to explain. Every writer he has observed things in the society. He want to explain with the writings. Most of the writings are it's a related to the nature and it's a related to the society and it's a related to the persons. Those are the most popularized persons. They have to written autobiography and some members are written biographies which is their self written. In this lesson, the proposal has explained the Anton Chekhov. What are the events in the Russian country, attitudes of the people, how they are tying the marriage one and each other in the society as explains. And who is especially in the wealthiest people in the country, how they are ties the marriage, how they ties the marriages in the society, they have to explain. The characters are Stepanovich Chukbo. The characters are Stepanovich Chukbo, a land owner, Natalia Stepanovna, Natyala Stepnovana, 25 years old daughter of Chikbo, and Ivan Vasilevich Lumo. Ivan Vasilevich Lumo, a 35 years old landowner and a neighbor of Chikbo. All the three are quarrelsome. They quarrel over petty issues. The play revolves around two themes on the ownership of a piece of land, and the disagreement on their pet dogs. Ivan Vasilevich Lumo, a 35 years landowner, comes to the house of Chikbo in evening dress. Ivan Vasilevich Lumo, a 35 years landowner, comes to the house of a Chikbo in evening dress and tells that he has come to see him. Chikbo suspects that he has come to borrow money and decides not to give him any money. On making further inquiry, Lumo tells that he has come to ask the hand of a Natyala, the 25-year-old daughter of Chikbo, in marriage. Chikbo gets joy on hearing it as Natyala has reached the marriageable age. He is of his balance with joy. Lumo asks him to Natyala will consent for this marriage. Chikbo tells that Natyala is to consent for this. He makes up his mind that it is the right time for him to marry. He thinks Natyala is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, educated. He is already 35, a critical age. He should not delay his marriage and lead a quiet and regular life. He suffers from palpitations and get easily upset. Whenever he sleeps, he feels a pull in his left side shoulder and a head. Pull in his left side shoulder and head. Natyala comes and surprises to see him because her father tells her that a merchant has come for his goods. She offers smoke and matches. Lumo is unable to ask if she will accept his proposal. He tells that there is a good mutual respect and affection between their families. Now the topic shifts over to the Oxen Meadows. Lumo tells her that Oxen Meadows belongs to him. He tells that his aunt's grandmother gave to the farmers of her father's grandfather, in return for which they were to make bricks for his aunt's grandmother. Natyala tells that her elder reckoned that Oxen Meadows were theirs. Now Lumo disputes it and tells that he has legal documents of the Oxen Meadows. She tells that the meadows aren't worth much to her. They only cost 5 distance and are worth perhaps 300 rubles. But she cannot stand unfairness. Lumo and Natyala climb the land. They exchange harsh words. Natyala blames him to be an impudent. Then Lumo gets angry and asks her if he is a land grabber. Now the quarrels has reached to a heated point. Chikbo enters the scene and asks for the reason they are shouting for. Both Natyala and Limo ask his opinion about the Agzan meadows. Chikbo tells that the meadows belongs to him. Limo tells Chikbo that he will have the matter taken to the court. Chikbo says that he is on the lookout for a chance to go to court and abuse him. Now Lumo also abuses his grandfather. Chikbo tells that Lumos have and lunch in his family. His grandfather was a drunkard and his anger haunt eloped with an architect. Lumo says that Chikbo's mother was a humpbacked. Now Lumo is upset and wants water, but father and daughter continue to say malicious words like a double-faced intriguer, backbiter, dishonest, mean, rascal, scare you, villain, blind hen, and a trumpy ghost. Then Limo gets out of their house. Chikbo tells his daughter that a Lumo came to make a proposal to her. Natyala is saddened by hearing this and requests her father to recall Limo. On the request of Chikbo, Limo appears at their door. Now once more Natyala and Lumo talk and they get into a quarrel once more about their dogs, Guess and Squeezer. Limo tells that he has got his dog Guess from Monirova for 125 rubles, which she thinks too high cost. He thinks that it is very cheap as his dog is a first-rate dog. She thinks her dog Squeezer, whose cost is 85 rubles, is heaps better than his dog. She says that his dog is old, ugly, and half dead already. Chikbo also comments that Guess is a bad hunter, but Lumo says that his dog is 5 times better than Squeezer. Both try to prove that their dog is better than the other. The quarrel over their dogs continues. Luma is again upset. Now both use bad words for each other like a integer. Pump, rat, milk shop, fool, and Limo falls into a armchair and faints. Natyala thinks Limo is dead and shouts for a doctor. Her father lifts a tumbler of water to Limo's mouth, but he doesn't drink. Chikbo once more becomes unhappy over being a father of a grown-up daughter. Meanwhile, Lumo comes to his sense and Chikbo puts Limo's hand into Natyala's hand to complete the proposal. The father gives his blessings and requests them to leave him in peace, but once more Natyala asks Lumo to admit that Guest is worse than Squeezer. Again, they start a quarrel over the dogs. In this lesson, they asked, the question is asked about the annotation. In this annotation, the 3 steps are there: introduction, context, explanation. Introduction, context, and explanation. Introduction is anyone. The annotation come from the proposal lesson. Anton Chukbo, Limo, and then Nathyala. These are the three characters in this lesson. Every one character is very important. You know the importance of the story. Introduction. The above lines are taken from the lesson One Act Play. The proposal. It is written by the Russian dramatist and short story writer Anton Chekhov. The play satirizes the tendency of wealthy Russian families to seek marriage ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates. Lumo visits the house of a Chikbo to seek the hand of his daughter in marriage, but Chikbo feels that he has come to borrow money. Explanation. Lumo and Chukbo are neighbors. One evening in a formal dress, Limo visits the house of a Chukbo. Limo in fact comes with a proposal to marry Natalia, the unmarried daughter of a Chukbo. But he is so nervous that he finds it difficult to express his wish. Instead, he says that he has come to ask a favor, though he doesn't deserve it. Chikbo thinks that he has come to borrow money and decides not to give any money to him. Every student of this class have to prepare the lesson. The proposal is written by Anton Chikbo. Anton Chekhov. This is a story about the social issue of society in the Russian country. In every country has their own attitudes of the people. The living and the attitude of the living things and the attitude of the proposals of marriage and proposals of the making day birthdays and other any activities. Every country has its own attitude. Every country has its own attitude to making the issues in the society. In this way, our Anton Chekhov has explains what are the issues of petty issues in one of the neighbor house and other house, how they are quarrelsome with a simple petty issues. He has explains everything which has the in country attitudes in the lesson. Whatever it may be, the story is very interesting. It's a very funny. How the proposals are made through unexpectedly, what they are expecting and how their response when they are attending to the proposal or when they are attending to the neighbor house. This is one of the incident he has explained. Anton Chekhov has explained in our lesson the proposal. It is extremely in the 18th century belongs to the lesson. He has written it 1888 to 1889 in the academic year. Those are the very funny story in the society, how they are explained in the visualizes how they are explanation. This three characters are there in the proposal lesson. Limo and Natalia. Stepan Stepanovich Chukbo, and Natalia Stepanova, and the Ivan Vasilevich Limo, a 35 years old land owner. Stepanovich Chukbo is a land owner. He has a daughter of Natalia Stepanovich. Natalia Stepanovna is a 25 years old. She has a 25 years old daughter of the Chukbo. And Ivan Vasilevich Limo is a 35 years young man, 35 years old man, owner and a neighbor of the Chukbo. They are the neighboring houses, Chukbo and Limo. In the story, he has explained about the characters, how their characters are made into a కానీ ఈ పని నువ్వు తీసుకుంటుంటే కాపు Ivan Vasilevich Limo, a 35 years land owner, comes to the house of a Chukbo in evening dress and lets that he has come to see him. Chukbo suspects that he has come to borrow money and decides not to give him any money. On making further inquiry, Lumo tells that he has come to ask the land of a Natalia, the 25-year-old daughter of Chukbo, in marriage. Chukbo gets a joy on hearing it is a Natalia has reached the marriageable age. He is off his balance with joy. Limo asks him if Natalia will consent for this marriage. Chukbo tells that Natalia is to consent for this. He makes up his mind that it is a right time for him to marry. He thinks Natalia is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, educated. He is already 35, a critical age. He should not delay his marriage and lead a quiet and regular life. He suffers from palpitations and gets easily upset whenever he sleeps. He feels a pupil in his left side, shoulder and a head. The writer Chukbo has explains the the history of the Russian country and how the proposals, how the marriage proposals are going on with one culture to another culture and one person to the other, how they are made, who are the wealthiest families or who are the landowners in the Russia, how they are making the ownership of the land with one land to the another, how they are thinking with the proposal of the marriages and how their thoughtness in their mind to become a wealthiest persons in the country, how they are thinking, he has explained through his writings. And how funny things are going on in the society, they are also explained. But unfortunately, the writer has explained it's a simple pet issues of the story. Pet issues of the story he has explained. He has explained. This is very very important to the students and for our examination purpose. And in this lesson, they want to prepare and they want to take out as one of the annotation from this lesson. You have to see the annotation. I will show the one of the simplest annotation to the purpose of the examination. You have to prepare this. He is come to borrow money. Shan't give him any allow. What is it? My beauty. This is the question line. This is the exact line from the lesson. The proposal. In this, we want to learn the introduction, context, and explanation. The above lines are taken from the lesson. The one act play. The proposal is written by the Russian dramatist and a short story writer Anton Chekhov. The play satirizes the tendency of a wealthy Russian families to seek marriage ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates. How they are increasing their estates, they are explained. Context. Limo visits the house of a Chukbo to seek the hand of his daughter in marriage, but a Chukbo feels that he has come to borrow money. Explanation. Limo and Chukbo are neighbors. Limo and Chukbo are neighbors. One evening, in a formal dress, Limo visits the house of a Chukbo. Limo, in fact, comes with a proposal to marry Natalia, the unmarried daughter of a Chukbo. But he is so nervous that he finds it difficult to express his wish. Instead, he says that he has come to ask a favor. So he doesn't deserve it. Chukbo thinks that he has come to borrow money and decided not to give any money to him. In this funny way, he has explained, the writer has explained in this funny way, how the petty things are going on in the society. He has explained. The writer has explained in the proposal of petty issues. Okay, from this lesson, the writer has explaining the attitude of the country and how they are given to the, how they are going to the become a wealthy, how they are thinking, and how it is the issues are it's going to the another way. Okay, from the beginning. With the photographer and a treatise on a good manners and good breeding. With the photographer is written by Stephen Leacock, and a treatise on a good manners and good breeding is a Jonathan Swift. These two lessons will come to the essay questions, and we have to prepare these two lessons of essay questions and Ode on Solitude and a marriage proposal. These are the Ode and Solitude is a poetry. In this poetry, you have to make or you have to prepare the one of the annotation, and as well as the proposal lesson also you have to prepare the one of the annotation for the examination purpose. These are the very important. These four are will come for the exactly in the examinations. First two lessons and last two lessons. First two lessons are the essay questions and last two lessons are the annotations. And these are the very important questioning words for the examination purposes. And then we will go for the preparing the two essay questions and two annotations. These are the very essential to the examinations. And in the simple way, you have to read the lessons and you have to understand the what are the what about the writings and how they are explained in the writings, how they are explanation in the writings you have to observe, and you have to think how the writers are, they are thinking is a different way they have to explaining the issues. Okay, in this semester, every lesson has a very important for the purpose of the examination. In our pattern, question paper pattern is the, which is the in the first semester in the as well as follows in the second semester also, but the question paper pattern is different. The marks and the timings is the same pattern, but the lessons on the grammar topic are the different in the second semester. Whatever it may be, all the aspects of the paper mode is in the same, all are the 4 semesters. In this way, you have to prepare for the following purpose of the examination. It's a very useful to the students, and whatever it may be. You have to prepare the one of the annotation from this lesson. In this regards, the students, all of you, be careful at what are the issues of surroundings to you, and you have to prepare the purpose of examinations, and you have to understood the mode of the lessons, and how the writers are explain the issues in the writings, and what are the grammar topics is a very essential to attempt the answering when you are writing the answers. In the first section you have a 6 sections, and then you have to answering the only 4 sections. In that way, particularly in the comprehension passage also there, what are we are already discussed in the 2 days back. The comprehension passage is very easy to answering, very easy to gaining the good marks in the examination. It's a alternative choices are also there in the question paper, and synonyms, and the correction of the sentences, and kinds of the sentences. These are the very, very important for the examinations. Every one of this class is you have to prepare the 2 essay questions from the first and second lessons, and 2 annotations from the third and fourth lessons. First 2 essay questions are the photographer, and the photographer, and the second lesson a treatise in a good manners and good breeding. Is a treatise in good manners and good breeding is written by Jonathan Swift, and with the photographer is written by Stephen Leacock. And the third lesson Ode and Solitude is written by Alexander Pope, and the proposal is written by Anton Chico. The proposal means the marriage proposal is written by Anton Chico. These are the very, very important for the purpose of the examinations. These are the very, very important to the purpose of the examinations. All of you be careful and be aware of the examinations, and you have to follow the all topics what are the mentioned in the question paper pattern. You have to follow these patterns. It's a very, very important to gain the good marks in your semester examinations, and very easy to the gaining the score when you are attempt the all questions, all choice questions. The most of the students you have to follow the very easy to answering the questions when it's a very easy to the gaining the knowledge and gain to the marks in the examination. All of you all the best for your examination, and you have to prepare very hard to the exams, and these are the very easy to pass and very easy to gain the good marks in the examinations. All of you prepare well, and which have you have a doubt in the paper, and which are the doubts in your grammar topics also, you have to ask me when we are in the class, or after the class also you have to ask me whatsoever you have a doubt.